I'm going to show you how to check your analytics on Pinterest on your Android phone. So once you're on Pinterest, click your profile on the lower right hand side. And from here on the upper left, you'll see 3 bars. That's for analytics. Click the icon on the upper left, and this is going to take you right into analytics. And as you can see the current analytics right here. And it has 2 tabs, one for analytics, one for audience, and of course, you check on analytics. You can scroll down and see basically your analytics right here. And if you ever want to, let's say, filter this, on the right hand side upper right, you have the filter icon. You click on that and you can make changes to what you're actually seeing and filter it a bit more. And so that's it, guys. If you want to change, I'm going to give you a quick example. So let's say this is the last 30 days. I can click it and I can say, let me see what the last 24 hours is like. And once you set that, all you have to do is just go back, click and done, and you'll be able to see what it looks like in the last 24 hours. Just need to refresh. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.